In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use CoinMarketCap for beginners. If you're just getting started with cryptocurrencies or simply want to explore CoinMarketCap's functionalities, this tutorial will provide a comprehensive guide to navigating the platform like a pro. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser, whether it's Chrome, Brave, or any other browser. Now, in the address bar, type in or just click on the link https://coinmarketcap.com. This will take you to the CoinMarketCap homepage, which is your gateway to the vast universe of cryptocurrency data and insights. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to explore the layout. Right away, you'll notice the top cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum displayed prominently. You'll see essential data such as the current price, percentage change, market capitalization, and volume for each cryptocurrency. The upper section, or the sidebar, often highlights trending coins, giving you insights into what's currently hot in the market. This simple overview can help you gauge market trends and identify potential investment opportunities. Now, draw your attention to the upper right of the page, where you'll see a search bar icon that looks like a magnifying glass. Click on it, and here you can type in any cryptocurrency you're interested in learning more about. Let's focus on Solana, so go ahead and type Solana into the search bar. When you see Solana in the drop-down menu, click on it to access its detailed information page. On Solana's dedicated page, you'll notice several tabs that provide various data points and analyses. Start by clicking on the Overview tab. This section provides you with an essential snapshot of Solana, showing its current performance metrics in a visually accessible format. Next, move on to the Markets tab. This section details where Solana is traded, listing various cryptocurrency exchanges along with trading pairs and volumes. It's useful for identifying where you might want to trade or find the best prices. After familiarizing yourself with the market data, head over to the News tab. Staying up to date is crucial in the rapidly changing world of cryptocurrencies, and here you'll find the latest news articles and updates related to Solana. This keeps you informed about developments that might impact its value. Then click on the Community tab. Here you can gain insight into community discussions and forums, which is a great way to understand the sentiment and engagement around Solana. Moving on, click on the Yield tab next. This provides data on staking and yield opportunities for Solana, helping users interested in maximizing their holdings through staking programs. Lastly, check out the About tab. This section offers a comprehensive overview of Solana's goals, technology, and any notable aspects of its development, helping you understand the broader context of the project. And there you have it, a complete tour of CoinMarketCap as a beginner. By understanding how to access and interpret this information, you'll be better equipped to make informed decisions in the dynamic world of cryptocurrencies.